Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the TV and your phone for gaming. Connect the phone using an HDMI adapter or a Chromecast device to the TV. Aim for a 1080p resolution and 60 Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals. Enable developer options and reduce screen timeout to prevent the phone sleeping mid-game. Charge the phone to at least 80% and enable Do Not Disturb to block calls and alerts. Close background apps to free RAM and lower thermal strain during extended play. Decide whether to use wired or wireless connections based on latency needs. For the lowest input lag, use a wired HDMI adapter. Latency can stay under 40 milliseconds. If you prefer convenience, choose wireless casting like Chromecast, which typically increases delay slightly. Pair a Bluetooth controller or connect a USB OTG controller for reliable inputs. For audio, use a 3.5 mm cable or optical TV output to minimize sound delay. Adjust controller mapping in the game settings and test buttons before starting long sessions. Optimize both system and in-game settings for stable performance and heat control. Set the game resolution to match the TV at 1920 by 1080 and lock the frame rate at 60 frames per second if available. Lower in-game graphics quality and enable any performance or battery saver mode to reduce GPU load and prevent throttling. Keep the phone well ventilated and avoid covering it while docked on the console stand. Monitor phone temperature and pause to cool down if it exceeds 40 degrees Celsius.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.